Hello guys, today we are going to talk about stacks, an essential data structure in programming. More specifically, we'll focus on array stacks and how they function. The stack is a linear data structure that follows the LIFO principle, which stands for last in first out. This means the last element added is the first one to remove. LIFO, last in first out principle. Consider a stack of plates. When we add a plate, we add it to the top. And we remove it, we also remove it from the top. The shuttlecock box or any other box that closes from one end is a great example. Where the LIFO, last in first out principle, where do insertion and removal from the same end. An array stack is a stack that stores its elements in an array. Since arrays have fixed size, the stack has a limit on how many elements it can hold. If you try to add more elements than the allocated size, it results in an overflow error. If you try to remove an element from an empty stack, you get an underflow error. There are some basic operations of stack. Push adds an element to the top of the stack. Pop removes the top element from the stack. Peek retrieves the top element without removing it. Is empty and is full. Check if the stack is full or check if the stack is empty. Size returns the number of elements in the stack. Let's see the basic operation of a stack with some code examples. First one is push. Pushing means adding an element to the top of the stack. If the stack is not full, the new element is inserted at the next available position, like in the code example. The second one is remove an element. Pop. Popping means removing the top element. If the stack is not empty, the top element is returned and removed from the stack. Please refer the code. It make it easier to understand. The third one is peek. Peek retrieves the top element without removing it. This is useful when you want to check the last inserted value and not to remove it. And last is empty and is full. This method check if the stack has no element or the stack has element and it's full, and if that means it exceeded the initialized stack size. There are some advantages and disadvantages of an array. First, we look at some advantages of array. Fast access. Array stack can provide 0-1 time complexity for push and pop operations. They don't require extra memory allocation like linked lists. Arrays are straightforward to implement compared to dynamic structures. Like everything, arrays also have disadvantages. Like once an array stack is initialized, its size cannot be changed dynamically. If not fully utilized, an array stack can lead to unused memory. Overflow issues. Since the size is fixed, exceeding the limit results in stack overflow errors. Let's refer some real-world examples that array stacks are used in. Stacks are used in various applications including web browsers, like the web back button stores previously visited pages in a stack. Undo and redo functions. Text editors stores previous action in a stack for redo and undo operation. That's why we can easily go back and forth between our work. Recursion. Stack helps in managing function calls in programming. Uh, let's refer. Let's recall the conclusion. Stacks use the LIFO, last in first out principle. Key operation include push, pop, peek, and is empty, is full, and size. They are widely used in browsers, text editors, and recursion handling. Array stacks are simple and fast, but have fixed size limitation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more programming tutorials. See you next video.